guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to disable activity status on your Instagram. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app on your device. After opening the bottom right side corner, you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it, and here on the top right side corner you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. Okay, in the settings guys, tap on privacy, and in the privacy scroll down. Here you can get the option activity status. Just tap on it. Okay, and here if you want to disable the activity status on your Instagram, so just you need to disable this option. That's it. So from here you can easily able to disable the activity status in your Instagram. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.